Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am creating this Harley Quinn makeup for you. So if you want to know how you can create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. I am planning on doing two Joker makeups in this Halloween season. The first one is from the 2019 Joker movie and the other one is from the Suicide Squad. So both of them don't have the Chelsea smile, and I thought that I definitely wanted to do a Chelsea smile on this Halloween series. So that is why I decided to incorporate the Chelsea smile in my Harley Quinn makeup for today. So this is the Chelsea smile I will be using. Now they are all good to go, so I'm going to remove the plastic sheet that is over them and get them on my skin. They are self-adhesive, so you don't need to worry about gluing them down. They will just stick to your skin, and by wetting the paper will come off the transfer and you will be left with a lovely Chelsea smile. The base color I'm going to put on my skin is white, because it is really Harley Quinn cartoon style. I'm not going to try to make it very opaque. I just want a nice white layer on my skin. That is why I'm stippling the color on with my beauty blender. I do want an even layer obviously, but I don't really want it to be all white. And I'm going to leave the area of my eyes open for now because that will be red and black. And let me quickly outline a part of my neck. So that is where I stop, and I give her kind of a necklace with the same black and red. There is the white base. I quickly have some white Star Blend by Maron, just to put over that white face paint a bit. The original Harley Quinn has only a black face mask and black lips, so I thought that would be a bit boring for this makeup. So to give it a bit extra, I have decided to add red to this makeup, and this is the red by Maron Paradise, and I will just make a mask with the red and the black, and probably I will do the top side of this eye red and the bottom of this side, and then make this black and the top side of the other eye black as well. But I'm going to start out with the red. So you definitely could use a bigger brush to do this with. I will definitely get my eyebrows in there. And with the black by Diamond Effects, I'm going to do the same shapes on the other side of my face. I am back to the red face paint, and I'm going to put loads of little stripes going from the mask. And I don't want them to turn pink, so I keep reloading my brush. So this is the black Star Blend. I will just basically use it to create a soft shadow around the eyes. So back to the black, I'm gonna create the red and black part on my neck. So painting under my chin isn't my strong point, but I'm definitely gonna try to make the lines as clean as I can. So I'm gonna make this side black, and the other side will obviously be red. And by putting this in, I have a point to stop the white, otherwise I would have to paint my entire arms and chest white, and well, that is not something I really want to do. So I'm quickly filling out this bit in black. Now I don't want loads of shadows in this makeup, but I do want a few. And I'm going to choose the black Star Blend to put them on the skin with. And that means I have to be careful of how much black is on my brush. So I'll just get it towards the Chelsea smile. I do kind of want to keep them subtle and soft. It is time for the black lips. So putting those lips on made me feel like I might need a few extra shadows. So I am quickly putting a little bit on my temple, and I'm also intensifying the shadow under my cheekbone. It is time for the lenses. I've got two very different ones. This is the red Mini Sclera Volturi Vampire, and for the other eye I have a black and white lens. So as you can see, that gives a very freaky look to this Harley Quinn. I'm quickly gonna paint my waterline black because that is the only skin toned bit of flesh left around my eye. You could make this one red as well, but I have decided on black. Now, to keep the Chelsea smile kind of simple and in the same colors as the rest of my makeup, I'm just going to color the inside with the Maron Paradise face paint. But I am adding some drying blood by Vermilion FX. So you shouldn't put this blood in or around your mouth. It is on the bottle. I'm going to put it close to my mouth, but not any in there. There is the wing, and I should definitely get that little hoodie on that is on the vest of my costume. Well, and with that, my Harley Quinn makeup for today is done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all our videos. We have loads of videos planned until Halloween, so definitely stay tuned.